final element I want you to consider is your widget card. Now, if we look over in the preview here, we can see our widget card. Okay. Now, the widget card are presets which control the padding and alignment across all of your widgets so that they all look nice and work together. So really there's three types that you can choose from here. There is literally no padding, and then we have tight, regular and loose. I just want you to note here that in the actual widget itself you can actually change the padding within the widget there too. So this is, in addition, it's really more focusing on the height between the title or the height between the summary. So this makes sure that no matter how you configure your widgets, some widgets don't have a title, some don't have a summary, some don't have a price. This setting makes sure that all of your widget settings all work together no matter how you configure that particular widget. So don't need to overcomplicate this. I just want you to select none, tight, regular or loose.